2026, and we're getting back into nature and doing a little section of the Ocean and Lake Trail from Jupiter to Hobe Sound. Weather is beautiful. It's probably like in the 60s right now. Sun feels good, but it's probably gonna get chilly by the time we get to Hobe Sound. Out for all these little knobs. Oh, some of these little branches are sharp. Got poked in the leg. Probably why they suggest wearing pants, but I'm a rule breaker. Tank tops and shorts for me. There's trees. Dry now, but in summertime this is all full of water. You can tell by looking at all those little knobs. This is a wet area. Looks like it was pretty high grass. Thank you, trail maintenance, for whacking all the weeds, making the path clear. I think we're coming up to this little canal. And this is where you die in the summer with all these knobs that try to kill you. Hoping we get out of the tree line before it gets dark. I don't mind road walking in the dark, but I'm not a fan hiking in the woods at night. Just because I'm not in the mood to play with all the little creatures that are going to be coming out of these ferns. Figures I just took some snacks out. Now we're up on the little canal. Trying to not slip. As we all know, I'm prone to falling. Oh, they got a little rope here, I guess, to hold on.
I think that's just for coming up.
Oh, that little plastic piece is like all pulled up. What were you talking about going across?
I was looking over there, but might as well just go for it at this point.
All right, go ahead. You first. Gentleman first. Is it cold? All right, just a little water crossing, and we are officially in Jonathan Dickinson Park. I'm eating my some trail mix. We had stopped at Publix before we started hiking and shared I think it's called Peach Heat, the chicken tender sub. This is the first time I tried it. It's pretty good. I think I like it better than the buffalo chicken. Anyway, gorgeous day. Look at this view. Ooh, 2026. This area had a little bit of a control burn. Everything's a little torched. Our daughter Angelique is working in this park. And she was telling us about how they do that. She's learning about it, which is kind of interesting. Getting ready to go into a woody area. It's gonna start getting chilly. Yeah, we might start experiencing some mosquitoes. It's been nice. It's probably, I had to guess, in the 50s. I'll have to check. Maybe not that cold, because I probably would need a sweater, since I'm always getting cold easily. Get my shoe.
Like a snake foot.
Yeah. Whoa, don't do that. Seriously, bro. He's always trying to cause trouble. Sky's starting to get a little colorful. It's definitely getting chillier. Might be time to put my long sleeve on. I don't know if we're gonna get out of this park before it gets dark. I'm hoping that we get to the sugar sand at least, because then at least it'll be open and not so spooky with the animals. I don't like hiking it on trail at night. Road walking is fine. All right, we just stopped at a convenience store and Bobby got some beer. I got a little wine and some Sprite to make a spritzer. And we're walking in the tunnel of trees now. You can't see it, but it's dark. And we took our lights off just so we wouldn't blind the cars. It's paved road. And we're on the final stretch to the beach. And I'm freezing. We made it. We made it to the beach. It actually looks, in this video, it looks like it's daylight, but it is not. It is dark. Look at how beautiful. Okay, it's cold, and we're gonna call it Uber now and go home, make dinner. Peace.